Thank you. I'm Inspector Norbert Muzondo. I'm the Provincial Community Relations and Liaison Officer for Manicaland Province. I would like to confirm that the police in Manicaland effected an arrest on 2 male adults who were committing crimes of unlawful entry into premises. They were arrested and the detectives in Manicaland managed to interview them, leading to the recovery of various property, which include amongst them 7 televisions, 9 gas tanks, various household utensils, which include pots, some cell phones, as well as a number of clothing, which include blankets. In total, these people were identified, were able to be linked with the 23 cases. Of those 23 cases, only 11 have been linked with the complainants. The outstanding 11 have been linked with complainants. So it is our appeal to members of the public that they must come forward to CID Mutare to identify their stolen property. We have reasonable suspicion that these 2 male adults were committing their offences in the greater part of Mutare, such as Obaus, Chikanga, Dangamvura. But the latest information that we also have is that they might have committed offences in Penalonga area. So we are also appealing for people in the Penalonga area to come forward to Zimbabwe Public Police, CID department, and identify their property. Further appeal to the members of the public that they must ensure that their premises are left, ensure that they have burglar bars that's target hardened, putting burglar bars at their premises, marking their properties, so that whenever the police recover this property, the police is able to actually link the property with the owner, especially if one puts an identification mark, such as the cell phone number. You are able to link the property with the stolen property, especially televisions.